Sindhu? Yeah. Right. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sindhu, a student of Business Management in SNIST. Firstly, I would like to thank HOD Dr. Sandhya Rani ma'am and all the faculty for giving us this wonderful opportunity to explore ourselves and attain more knowledge through real-time successful examples and experiences even in this high time. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Sai Chetan, alumni of SNIST 2016-18 in marketing. He currently works at WeSecure app as a customer success manager, which is a computer security service in both personal and professional level, and also a dynamic customer relation manager, which means building a skilled team for business development, strengthening client relationships, providing customized and targeted solutions to reach customer needs and expectations. It's like freelancing. He also has sound knowledge in others like web designing, inside sales, social networking, ethical hacking, digital email, online marketing, and mainly in affiliate marketing. Quite an interesting profile, right? So let's hear more in his words and ask more questions as possible. I request Mr. Chetan to start over.
Yes, thank you. Thank you guys for giving the opportunity and for SMS management and mainly Soumya ma'am. So yeah, guys, today is our topic is about digital marketing. Okay. So once I start digital marketing, I want to know what are your views on digital marketing? Uh, let's start just drop it some drop in comment box what are your views on digital marketing like send click on like send for everyone to be better. What is your perception on digital marketing? Yeah, Parulika. Marketing through online, yes, exactly, good one. Anyone more? See, there are there are so many um, things to say about digital marketing. So I just want to know your perception, what you think actually digital marketing. Okay, where we can sell and buy products digitally. Cool. Yeah, Madhusudan, that's great. Nice one. Okay, so yeah, let's enter to the topic to our webinar digital marketing. So today our agenda is which runs like under what is digital marketing and why digital marketing is important for everyone. Like I say, for every industry and for every individual person. And what are the digital types of digital marketing? There are different types. We need to choose accordingly. If we need to market our brand, or else we need, if we want to learn in some in specific branch. And what are the benefits of digital marketing for every individual? So why I need to learn the digital marketing, and what if I learn digital marketing, what do I get? Okay, so it's for everyone, students, what are the, what can I say, like people, I mean, those who are doing jobs, and for every industry, for every company, for every entrepreneur, for every small businesses, for everyone. So yeah, so what is digital marketing? As you said, uh, like a digital marketing where doing marketing on digital media, like it is also called as online marketing, the promotion of our brand through by using different ways through online, we can say social media, it's web based advertising, whatever, like so emailing, social, and texting, multimedia messages, like that. We use different types of marketing channels to promoting ourselves through online. Okay, so this is there is like lot of things to say about what is digital marketing, but just I'm keeping a short like that. So then, so why digital marketing is important? So yeah, so if you start a business, if you want to promote anything, if you want to learn digital marketing, So why it is important? Because like in this picture you can see that how many people are for every 60 seconds what is happening over the internet. Okay, so like let us take example like Facebook 1.3 million logins and 19 million text messages sent, and YouTube 4.7 million videos viewed. By this graph we can say that so many people are on the social media, I mean using the internet, like we can say like since 2017 in India, 2016, after implementation of Geo network, like most of the people was relied on internet, on the digital media. So people started purchasing from online sites. They are morely on like social media and like that. And this pandemic since 2019, and many people stopped shopping on offline, started like shopping on online, even it is groceries, whatever. So yeah, so most of the people was using different social media networks, and watching videos on YouTube. So this is the perfect platform, like if you want to market yourself, market your brand, or else if you want to learn. So this is the right time to learn digital marketing. Next, I just want to know, like clearly explain what is a difference between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. See, a traditional marketing reach is limited. Like if you want, see, let us take example like we are there is a boarding, like saying something, uh, something is happening over there. I mean, like some mela, something like that. So it will be like only reach the only particular region. Okay, in digital marketing, we can reach is maximum. There is no limit. See, I'm staying over here, and we can market, in United States, whatever, UK, something like in any state, in any country. So reach is maximum. There is no particular limit. And delayed communication. So if I say about delayed communication, something offer is running on Amazon, Flipkart, or else something like that. So it's offer only on today, like they said like that. So being traditional marketing, using the traditional marketing, like you sending a pamphlet, sending the newspapers, it will be delivered. I mean tomorrow, something like that. But if we use digital marketing, communication will be instant. Like we can just send through WhatsApp messages, whatever like that. Not only offers, whatever it may be. So this is like a difference between the communications when we use traditional marketing and digital marketing. And lack of real-time results. Coming to digital marketing, instant real-time results. See, traditional marketing, if I'm the owner of some company and I want to market my brand using some pamphlets. Okay, so the person who I can't track who my pamphlets wherever it was reaching actually. Okay, so whatever it may be, like boarding, something like that. Maybe I'm a state Mumbai and I want to market at Hyderabad, but I don't know what actually results actually they are do they marketing really or not. But over here I can track everything. See, whatever the views, analytics, I can get the total analytics like in a graph, like how many people were viewed, how many people are clicked actually, and how many people were shown interested, and even I get the feedback also when I use digital marketing. And traditional marketing is expensive. As I say, like many manpower is required. So much manpower is required for the traditional marketing. Like yeah, if I say pamphlet distribution, see, pamphlet distribution is like manpower is needed for like doing a pamphlet, and for managing the persons who are distributing. So there are so much manpower is required in digital marketing, and only for limited people. So coming to digital marketing, it is very cost efficient. Like see, if I need only like if I select only demographic, age, gender, and moreover like only particular region, it will deliver only to those people, and the cost only will takes that much only. So yeah, this is like cost efficient, and difficult to reach the target audience. As I said, like see, traditional marketing is like when we do marketing, like even they are, we don't know that they are like target audience or not. But coming to here, we can select actually. As I can say, like we can customize accordingly. As the ad should be reached only to this particular people who were shown interest on like traveling like that. Here, personalization is not possible in the traditional marketing. So this is the small differences, like mix like so much between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. Then, so what are the types of digital marketing? What are the strategies of digital marketing, and why we need to learn this? See, digital marketing is nothing but not only for the earning, but if you start any business, or else you will if you start any, if you are an entrepreneur, something like that, you need to know the different types of different types, so that you can implement a particular type, like let us take example, like I have started a small business, nothing but like cafe in Dilshner area. Okay, so I can run only social media marketing and SEO. I will let you know the types of each and everything clearly. But just I'm saying, like even if you're running like small business also, you need to know the types, so that you can implement accordingly the perfect, so that obviously we get the results. So what is email marketing? See, whenever we do sign ups on any pages, something like that, it will ask the email. So let us take example like Flipkart. Okay, so if just place and place anything in cart, and you will within 6 to like 24 hours you will get a mail again, like you place a particular product in cart, but why don't you check out, like something like that. And not only those, like every organization uses email marketing for lead generation. Okay, like most of the companies get the projects, big projects from US market, for the US market, and all over the international. They get projects only through email, like they can share the content, they can share all everything through email marketing. And SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. So I stated, like let's take an example, like I have started a cafe at Dilshner area. So I can choose the SEO, so that if, let me show you practically. So nearby cafe. Okay, so like these are the cafes, like which are showing actually. So search engine optimization is nothing but if we search anything, we need to give a keywords particularly. Okay, so that it will be a result on the first page, like see, I need the best cafes, and the Tribo is the website which shows the results actually. Okay, so they use some particular keywords which to be ranked on the first page. So this is SEO, using particular keywords to rank on the first website, first page, second page, nothing like that. And third one is social media marketing. See, social media marketing is nothing but like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Like as of now, so many people are on the YouTube, mainly, especially on YouTube and Instagram. So you can see that there are so many advertisements, like 1 minute video, 15 seconds video. So it has more ratio when compared to other one. So social media marketing is it has very key role in the types of digital marketing. And display advertising. Display advertising is nothing but I will show you practically. Like let us take example, like something Great Andhra. See, whenever we open the website, we can see the advertisements over left side and right side, like that. See, this is called the display advertisements. Like this. That is called the display advertising, like placing our advertisements in third party sites, whatever, like we need to just tie up with some websites, and we can just display our advertisement. And affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing but like see, I am a person who want to sell a product. I am the person who manufactures one product, and I don't want to promote my product myself. So what I can do is like, I can give some third party vendors. Okay, let us take example like, there are some third party vendors which uh, promotes actually. So if I tie up with third party websites, like, I will show you. These are third party websites. Okay, so if I register my product over here, so they will market our products using the digital marketing people, so that they get the commission once if it is qualified purchase. So this is called affiliate marketing. And pay per click. So pay per click is nothing but see, I have typed the inverter over here in the Google. Okay, see, so you can see the advertisements over here. Okay, so this is maybe Amazon website. So this is some other third party website. The third party website was ranked over here because this website is giving. So this website is giving some particular rate, some amount to the Google. Like he will talk with the Google, like, give some clicks, and I will give the some particular rate, like per click 1 rupee, like that. So so that's the reason it will be ranked over here. So this is what is pay per click. And content marketing. See, content marketing is nothing but like, if I am pro in something, if I am good in something else, like, I will say, see, content marketing is nothing but there is some website, Bajaj Finance. So, they have written a content in such a way, when you purchase a particular product over here, they get the commission. Okay. So not only the content, they get the commission, and also they get the commission for website views. So, if you are good at something, just go for the content writing, and, just redirect to Amazon website or whatever it may be, which redirects to, like, which I can say affiliate marketing also. See, if I purchase from over here, so, the website is not going. See, Dil Bachao, the website which is written the content in such a way, it was stating of all top ACs, 1.5 5-star all these ACs. So, it includes content marketing, it includes affiliate marketing. See, I said, like, the person Toshiba is a manufacturer company which they can't promote the product, even Amazon. So, they give some for third party websites like Qlinks and something else, and they will promote the product. See, when I clicked on this link, it will redirect to the Amazon website. When I purchase this product, Dil Bachao gets the commission from the Qlinks. So this is how it works actually, content marketing. And it is, it is very long, very long topic actually, content marketing and the content marketing. And next is mobile advertising. See, mobile advertising is nothing but like, we can get the many SMS if we shop in any, like, more supermarkets and, Vishal Market, something like that. We get the, there is some offer running over on Vishal Market, something like that. So this is how actually mobile advertising. And influencer marketing. See, this is one of the booming, marketing type of marketing we can see. Like we can see, like, there are some influencers with who with partnership Myntra, something like that. And, they will say like, just I'm using this product which is buy from the Myntra, something like that. So influencer marketing is, I can say booming. Then benefits of digital marketing. So if I talk about the benefits of digital marketing, as I told, it is benefit for students, for for all the people. So if like if you start learning the digital marketing, don't make like it's make it like future oriented. Okay, so it's not it will not give results in a short time. Okay, and moreover, it is in trending right now, digital marketing. Okay, So, if you learn digital marketing, think about the future, like, it will be in long run, actually, should be in long run. And, if you learn the digital marketing, if you are certified digital marketing, you can add it on your CV. And supply and demand ratio is rich. See, if I say about supply and demand ratio is rich, like I've just shown you the inverter. Okay, so if a customer clicked search for the inverter, and there is a inverter showing over here. Okay, Google will charge like 10,000, something like that. Okay, so MSC Web Store was given 10,000, and it will be kept for one day. So obviously there will be more supply and demand, like there will be more customers visited over the website, and maybe they purchase actually. So these are actually the targeted customers. So whatever you keep the money for the advertisement, obviously you get the end results, and makes you self-independent. See, if you're like student or something like that, like even if you're like doing job, and you should not not only relay salary on the job, you can also like do the part-time job on the digital marketing. And there are so many freelancer works. I will show you the websites where we can get the freelancer work. If you learn the digital marketing, you get so many um, um, so many jobs over there. Like it's only for 1 hour, only for one day. We can just choose like that, and it's very easy to learn. Digital marketing, there are so many types, as I discussed. So if you choose any one topic, and you can just learn, like it's like 5 to 10 days. It's all depends on your interest actually. And tremendous growth rate, as you can see, as I already told, like since 2017, digital marketing is like a booming, as all are using like in internet. So the growth rate is very high and easy to analyze the results. So if I promote the product, and I can just check what are the open ratio, total analytics I can get to know, like it's very easy. And the next, talking about benefits, so how it will be benefited, like there are marketing people and finance people who are listening this webinar. So finance people may get doubt, so how it will be useful for us. Okay, so for finance people, like there are so many jobs. Like let us take example, my friends are when I studying, my friends are finance friends, and they are placed into uh, customer relationship management, customer relation, like the managers, like that, in the HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank, some other banks. So they are managing insurance and loans, all the stuff. Okay, so they just do traditional marketing, as I said, like just contacting the customers, existing customers, and they will call us, and they just go around here and there. So if you learn the digital marketing, and if you good at digital marketing, SEO, something like that, you can just post the advertisement in social media. And let's take example, like I'm the insurance agent. Okay, so if I write a good content, if I'm good at content writing, and if I write good content, what are the best insurance as of now, what are the best insurance in 2021, what are the best health insurance in the 2021. If I write and post the content on the social media, something like that, on the website, if I do a blog, like obviously I do get the clicks, and the people will purchase. Okay, so that is what I'm saying. Increase the social presence, like since new and old generation was shifted to the digital marketing, like every company, digital presence is must actually. It's become must actually. So digital platforms connecting existing customers, existing customers and the potential customers over here. So increasing social presence is increasing the brand awareness actually. And moreover, customer referrals. If I say customer referrals, that as I told, if the person is doing financial advisor or insurance advisor, whatever, like if you're doing a job, so obviously you need to get a referral from the existing customers. So actually you need to take this forums, like the feedback forums, like that, and he can just target other people to the social media. Like I already told about the content marketing. And if I say about online reputation management, okay. So online reputation management, nothing but if you market any advertisement on the social media, we can just monitor and analyze the results, how it was going and how many people it was viewed. Okay. So that is how actually online reputation management, and use SEO to your advantage. So you search engine optimization, as I told, if I write about, if I write some content about insurance, the best insurance, we need to use some the best keywords so that our website would be ranked in the top. I will show you the example. Another example. What are the best? How can we choose the best keywords actually? There are so many websites actually. I will take one example. So in India, yeah, the best insurance. So what are the top ranked keywords when I write business best insurance content? Okay, these are the tags actually, like keyword ideas. We can get the keyword ideas from over here. Best insurance health, best insurance term plan, like this. If we can also get to know who are our competitors and why it is ranking on the top like this. We can get the results. So that we can plan accordingly, like uh, content marketing and SEO. If you are good at content writing and SEO, you can do some miracles. Like these are the actually doing. This is how actually SEO works. Okay. Then yeah. So then again, video marketing. So video marketing is nothing but see. Uh, there is a type, like I already told, influencer marketing. See, marketing is nothing but when the influencer makes a video and if he says it's the best one, the followers will obviously on them, and they will trust on them, and obviously they will purchase something else. They will, what actually was about to say, like that. So this is how actually video marketing. Then yeah. So would you like to see my work? Since I am I'm doing the affiliate marketing since 2016. I'm totally learn myself, like myself, since I'm digital expertise in industry expertise in digital marketing. uh, I do have a website. I will show you. Just scan the QR code if you have any, QR, if you use any QR scanner, or else, just screenshot this page, scan with Paytm, something else. We'll get the landing page over there. Or else I will post a link. Yeah, just open that link. So you can see this link tree actually. This is my this is my Telegram channel, and this is, if you click on this, you can see my website. Okay, so this is my website, and I do write content writing, and I do I do expertise in SEO, and I do an affiliate marketing. So this is how actually the content marketing works. If the customer clicks on this link, and if the customer purchase any product using my link, I do get a commission. Okay, this is a how actually content marketing and blogging and giving the keywords actually. Okay, and giving the many keywords like best laptops like that, so that it will be landed something like 10th page or 11th page. Yeah, and okay, what are the most effective ways to increase the traffic to your website? So yeah, since being an I'm digital marketer, I do really on digital marketing. I do promote my website using the social media. I will show you how I promote actually. I will show you later. Then next, and guys, do you know? So yeah, I will show you how actually I get the traffic. Yeah, guys. So let's discuss how to build a LinkedIn profile. So this is a different topic. I can understand, but I just want to show you how to build a LinkedIn profile. See, guys, LinkedIn is a tool which you need to use efficiently to crack a job. Okay, not only to crack a job, even if you join a job, like you need to use a LinkedIn. How many of you created a LinkedIn over here? How many of you using a LinkedIn? Good. Oh, good. Yeah. So yeah. So how to build a LinkedIn profile? I will show you. See, I'm not saying like my profile is like not 100% right, but it will be helpful for you people because with there are so many people with my friends who are in the recruiters, and in my company and other company, I will see how actually they recruit the people. Okay, so LinkedIn is a main tool where you can portray yourself for the recruiters, okay, for the HR, for the managers. So start using LinkedIn, okay, and moreover, don't keep any passport photo size in the profile picture. Keep your profile picture and it should be in straight, okay, it should be like that, straight, and it should be cut over here only. It should be cut over here only. Okay, you should not keep like long picture, and you should not keep passport size photos. See, guys, this is not totally like just be casually, okay, and moreover keep something timeline picture and start sending connections. Guys, start sending connections from right now. As we are students, I'm saying you, like start sending connections for the recruiters. See, if you are like a marketing student, okay, start sending connections for the like you have some targets, right, to achieve a job in in some companies, right? So start sending connections for the recruiters, HR managers, okay, and for fintech people, financial students, like start sending connections for all the fintech financial companies, uh, whatever your target is, like, okay, start at least send 10 connections for a week, or else 10 connections for a day, for a week. But start using LinkedIn from now, and do post something on something on your LinkedIn, okay, and make yourself you're a good LinkedIn user, so that recruiters will obviously attract your profile. Yeah, so first of all they will see LinkedIn profile only, guys. See, and moreover, make sure you add your LinkedIn profile to your resume. It's very important, guys. So yeah, so make sure you fill all the all, like whatever you would do, like studying a job, I mean, sorry, uh, studying, like and moreover your education, MBA, BTech, whatever it may be, and start do some certification stuff and keep over here, okay, skills over here. So guys, if you have any doubt in creating a LinkedIn profile, please do reach me. I will I'm sure I will help, like as much as I can do. So yeah, guys. So this is how we can create the LinkedIn profile. Like, we need to fill all those things. Don't leave anything. And moreover, as I told, keep your profile picture like this. And moreover, sending the connections to all the recruiters, all the managers. Start sending the connections. Just sending the connections, then grow your network now. And moreover, when you search for a job, like, search using the hashtags. It will benefit, and just follow the hashtags so that you will get to know whenever there is a job postings open there. Okay. So it's very easy to crack a job using the LinkedIn effectively. Now, so guys, most of the people, like, when you're doing any research, okay, you may find, like, many premium articles, and it's very hard to find exact articles whenever we're doing research. I will show you how to download a premium articles for a free. Okay. So yeah, let us take, like, my favorite website for article research is Springer, Emerald. Yeah. So guys, this is very important topic for you guys. Like, there is one more year, like, 2 years, totally, like, dependent on, like, research articles. I mean, research. So you need to, get many articles. You need to find many articles for the research. So yeah, let's I'm searching for article digital marketing in India. So I do get many articles over here. So yeah. So if I want to download any article, yeah, this is the premium article. Okay, as it was saying as is. Obviously, Emerald Insight is a premium website. So guys, just scroll down. Any article do have a DOI number. Okay, like this. For every article, there is a DOI number, document identification, or document object, some identification, something, if I'm not wrong. Okay, just copy that link over here, and I will give you one link. Just paste over here. Okay, so once you paste over here, yeah, you get an article for free. You can access any article, any premium article for free. This is for education purpose only. Yeah, let us take another article, or else just drop any link of article if you do hang on. Please don't have the let's see some other articles. See, yeah. So yeah, every articles have the DOI number. Just copy that and paste over here. Don't worry, guys. I will give you the link. It will be beneficial for you, like, for 2 years. Not only for 2 years. If you are planning for PhD, it will be much useful for you people. So this is how we can download any premium articles. And guys, have you ever heard about the script.com? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, there are some articles, it's asked for, like credit card if you want to download. Am I right? It's not actually free. So yeah, I will teach you how we can, download from here. See, actually, there are in script is nothing but like if you want to publish an article. See, I'm a student, and I have done an article in Sri Institute of Technology, and I've published an article in script. So actually, obviously, I don't mention DOI number. There is no DOI number for me. Okay. So if I want to download any article from here without DOI number, there is simple trick. Just sign up on script.com. Okay, upload any document. I will teach you first. Yeah. Well, just upload any document, and you can download easily. See, let us take example like these are the actually the projects which are running by other college. See, if you want to download it, okay. If you want to download it, so it will ask like free for 30 days, like something like that. We need to use a credit card, something like that. Obviously, we are students, we don't have any credit card, but in case if you have a credit card, also it's not it's a risky to add a credit card. So I will let you know how to download. Okay. So I have uploaded some document which is not important, and once I uploaded, we can get the download option over here. It's simple. Okay. Upload any document which is not important, and you can easily download any articles which is useful for your research. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is how we can, guys. This is how we can download the articles, and and how we can create a LinkedIn profile. I mean, create a LinkedIn profile effectively in the professionally. Yeah. Um, yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks for joining us. So yeah, any doubts? You can just connect on me like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. This is my ID. Yeah, Pravalika. There is a myth saying that marketing is not good for girls. What is your opinion? Is it really hard for girls to handle? No, Pravalika. See, I'm saying like there are so many friends. My friends they are managing websites, and they are pro in search engine optimization. Okay, they do freelancer work. Actually, I can say it will be more beneficial for girls if they are not doing jobs. Like most of the people like uh, doesn't like for doing a job after some days. So if you learn digital marketing, you can be self-independent. I will show you the freelancer. How can if you learn digital marketing, how can you earn money? Okay, there is a website like freelancer.in. Okay, you can browse many jobs over here. It's very easy. Like this, you go for websites, for mobile application development, for data entry, for SEO. There are many jobs like this. Like we can bid 96,204 average bid for this. See, guys, uh, highest paying ratio is digital marketing, guys. Like, you know, you will, this, you can see over here. Yeah. Mm. Is email marketing is in boom in the modern scenario? Yeah, Pawan Kalyan. See, I am a customer success manager in IT company, cyber security company. See, my most job will be rely on email marketing. Okay, so you know, email marketing in such a way where we can get emails from the LinkedIn and we can just directly, you know, send an email what our company does. Okay, so you know, I have cracked many deals using email marketing. It's like, you know, 50 lakhs of projects for my company. Yeah. Sai Krishna, how can we promote our homes? Is it cost efficient? I will show you. As you said, digital marketing reach would be higher, but how can we reach people in rural areas? Yeah, see, because see, Sai Krishna, because it will, the question is same. I will show you. Can we earn as a student by learning digital marketing? Obviously, Rishita, see, I learned digital marketing since 2015. I'm started earning since 2016, and you know, I am the batch of 2006. I'm joined in Srinidhi Institute of Technology in the year of 2016, and obviously, I started earning from there. Yeah, there is so many ways, like, you know, but you know, the best way is affiliate marketing. When I applied for clearance, they simply said that we cannot when you have 10 lakhs data or you should have your own blogging. Yeah, Pawan Kalyan. Actually, you know, we can create our website for a free, blogger.com. Using this, we can create a website, we can create some, you know, simple blogs, and we can apply for the Q links for the affiliate marketing. And guys, if you are interested, like, you know, we can, I'm ready to, you know, explore to say about, you know, to briefly about affiliate marketing, how I am doing actually, and how actually I'm earning since 2015. Yes. Yeah, which is the most productive, either traditional marketing or digital marketing. See, productive I can say digital marketing because, you know, see, you get the results what you actually expect. See, let us take example. Mm, yeah, I want to target. You know, I want to target of selling mobile phone. Okay, like, you know, let us take example like OnePlus mobile phone. I want to target. I want to sell OnePlus mobile phone. Okay, so I can do advertisement on Facebook. So I can just click on age between 25 to 40, because most of the people between the 25 to 40 will, you know, able to like, you know, they have they can buy a OnePlus mobile because it is an expensive mobile. Okay, so yeah, there are so many ways actually, but you know, I can say the digital marketing is productive is the best one, I can say. Can you suggest this best ways where students can earn? Yeah, Sai Krishna, you can, you know, if you are good at content writing, go for the content writing. But you know, at the end of the picture, all comes under the roof of affiliate marketing. Challenges in demarketing. Okay, challenges is in demarketing is nothing but, you know, it depends on your competitors actually, and you know, moreover, I can say your network is equal to net worth. How you need to, you know, I can't find any challenges as of now. I can't find any challenges as of now in doing digital marketing. But you know, you need to update yourself every day. Is video important for SEO? No, because video is not necessary. Just keywords, ranking, all those are necessary. Yeah, how do I, you know, market my you know, elite deals? As I shown my website, I have promoted in so many other ways like SEO, all other things, and usually I follow social media marketing. As all you know, like, you know, social media marketing is a trending, and most of the people are on Instagram. I will show you how I promoting actually. Mm, yeah. If you choose Instagram, my Instagram page, I recently created my Instagram page over here. Okay, So, I just do social media marketing by promoting through some meme pages. Let me show you. So this is the one, meme. Like, see, by catching the audience pulse, and I will promote accordingly. I do meme, and, I will reach to the meme pages, and I will promote my page. This is how I do for, the one person was asked that how do I promote the rural areas. There is no nothing like, rural in the digital marketing. Any people, as of now, all are using, mobile phones, internet, Instagrams, like, all are on Instagram. So, obviously I do get, targeted people from here, something like that. See, these are the main pages. I've reached the main pages. I've done meme. I'm just posted from there. So obviously I do get many, reach from here. If I able to see reach, I can show you. I only analytics will visible only in application, so I'm not able to show here. Yeah, I will show you on my Amazon website. This is actually recently created, and I just promoting my Eli deals through meme pages mainly. Ajay, my interest is only totally on the affiliate marketing. I will show you. Pawan Kalyan, which domain should I go? .in or .com when I have my own site? Pawan Kalyan, what I suggest is go for .com only. It's better. And if you want to create a website, you can purchase in the month of November. You will get only for $1. See, I will show you my traffic. So this is my yeah. So, this is my, since April 1st to April 25th, see, this is 98,000 clicks. And I do promote this only for Amazon. The persons have kept so many links on my website. I do have a Telegram channel, which includes 10,000 followers. Sorry, 8,899 subscribers. So this is my Telegram channel. So I do promote all my posts through Telegram channel, and I do have WhatsApp groups like 68 or 60 WhatsApp groups, which is filled with 250 people. So these are my ways I choose for promoting my products. So these many people are ordered, 2,000 people, and 1,000 products has been shipped in this month and returns, and this is the conversion rate. Yeah, and I have given a revenue of 10 lakhs in this month. And this is only for guys. This is only for Amazon. And whatever, just imagine about like Flipkart, AGO, whatever. There are so many. Yeah. Any more doubts? When I have for 2 minutes. So yeah, since I will. Okay. So I have doing this affiliate marketing since 2016. Okay. So obviously I've started earning since then. This is the best way to end for the students, for the as someone asked for girls is yeah, Pravalika. So yeah, Pravalika, I suggest you go for this one. It will be beneficial. Like just create some groups, just market something like that. Just create like that. It will be we can end easily. Guys, any more doubts? You can see my post over here. I have written a content, AC buying guide at 2021. So, how can we choose a best AC? So this is the content marketing and, which includes SEO and affiliate marketing. May I know which institute is best for digital marketing? I suggest, not for, don't go for offline, just, learn from YouTube. It's better. Yeah, Sai Krishna. That's an, it's very good. Actually, uh, it's very good. I found actually, and I'm getting good traffic from meme pages. And I do promote every week with the different meme pages. I'm partnered with. I'm trying to partner with every meme page in Telugu meme pages, top Telugu meme pages. Is Chaudhary channel. Pawan Kalyan, frankly speaking, I have not learned using any YouTube channel. I just learned myself because at that time, in the just imagine in the year of 2015, we don't have any internet access. We don't have any like those many tech people at that time. I just learned myself. I don't rely on YouTube, but if you guys are interested in affiliate marketing, we can make one session which is dedicated to affiliate marketing. I can teach you practically lively. Um, yeah, already have did a session like last year. But just it's very easy to create an affiliate. It's very easy to learn affiliate marketing. But the main challenge, yeah, someone asked the challenges. See, we can create affiliate marketing, but main challenge is first 5 months, first 3 months. Amazon may deactivate your account if there is no traffic. So if you want to traffic, you need to promote something like you need to promote and you need to know uh, write good content. We need to post some content in blogs. They will check our blogs. If it is validated, yeah, can start in. Any more doubts, guys? Yeah, in script for uploading one document, we can download one upload, or we can get. Madhusudan, only one. It's because we can upload many documents. See, there are so many documents for us, or else just open a MS Word, just write something and just save it and upload it. Not a problem. Yeah, it's only one document, uploading one document and downloading one document. But it's worth, I say. And I will share you like the website link how we can. I do have good list of the article sites. When I do research, I followed these article sites, and I got some good articles. So I do share these articles uh, after the session. Yeah, can you suggest any YouTube channels? YouTube channels for digital marketing. Yeah, I feel Simple Learn is a good one. Simply Learn. And yeah, I will try to include some YouTube channels if I found any good in the document. And if you have any doubts, like I will keep that in a document. I will make a particular dedicated document which includes tool article sites and the link which how can we download the article, all those things. Can we bring out the complete momentum for digital marketing? Yeah, Jay, we can. It depends on, uh, you know, uh, what the content actually is. Okay, but maybe it takes a time, but it will be like stored in the cloud. We can access at any time. Yeah, we can. If it is a large data, we need to, pay amount for the Google. We need to buy storage. Yeah, we can do. Every small business is now actually every company is doing shifting from uh, traditional marketing method. I thought I should go for promoting of Citibank account, opening, then the scenario. No. Yeah, Pawan Kalyan. See, that is what I'm saying. If you want to promote, Citibank account, something like that. See, if the person gets something amount, or else like if you just go for social media marketing, what I suggest. See, as of now, so many people are in, on Instagram. Just create some, unique meme, or else just write a content, just write a, like something blog over there, just promote it. Obviously you will get the best results. Okay, Kodila Rishta. Before MBA, what is your graduation and what made you to take up the marketing? Before MBA, I'm BTech, computer science engineering. Obviously, I'm lacking programming knowledge. So that is the only reason which I chosen the marketing. And they are paying nearly 3K per single account. Oh, good. Then yeah, Pawan Kalyan. So you can just partner with some good Telugu meme pages. I suggest, if you want instant results, just pay for them, and obviously the reach will be. I can say, like it will be very good. As I'm seeing lively, you can get the best results. Pawan Kalyan. Can you suggest freelancing writing websites for earning money? So the main website is like freelancer.in, where all you can hire a freelancer, you can earn money if you are a freelancer. This is the best website. They are not allowing social media, like they are not allowing social media like Instagram, which is setting up all the email marketing to the customers. Yeah, if like that, you can just buy a database of India. If you need, I can help you with that. I do have, like 20 lakhs of uh, database of India, of every particular region, with each every pin code. You can do email marketing. Email marketing is the best way. Thanks, thanks you, compliment. Thank you. Guys, so connect me on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, and you can ping me anytime. I can help you. What are the doubts? And if you want to start, digital marketing course, if you want to start affiliate marketing, see, I'm expertise in digital marketing. uh, I can, teach you what are the best ways and how can we promote the products. And if you start any business, I can help you. How can you promote your product? How can you promote your business? If you're entrepreneur, if you're, getting any product, I can help you. Is there any penalty charges on the Google? If there is no, no, they will not track our content if we do digital marketing. Sorry, if you do email. Is there any penalty charges? No, 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 Ajay. We can see, obviously, we can see there are many wrong content on thumbnails on YouTube only. But that is totally depends on, like, we can keep content which customers can attract. Actually, there is nothing wrong. It's a marketing. Only good marketing. Good.
వాడు మన బండి నుంచి నడుపుతాడా?
Always, anytime. You can reach me. Anyone can reach me at any time. I can help you in the digital, not only in digital marketing, like, if it is like in other way, like, I do have many friends in different industries, and yeah, I can help you guys in, online, whatever you might be. And hope you guys like that, articles, free, the premium articles for the free.
Yeah,
Guys,
Chetan, it went on so well. I just request one more time, all the students, please, if you have any queries, Chetan is open. You can immediately post questions.
And guys, not only on digital marketing, if you want to buy any products, and if you want any suggestions, if you're buying, if you want to planning to buy something, whatever it may be on digital, on online, I can help you to choose the right product for the best price. I will show you some interesting days, bro. The digital marketing is evergreen in the present scenario. When we completely want to depend, when we completely want to depend on digital marketing. Yeah, digital marketing, so the one good, yeah, it shows you some interesting days. So guys, you can also follow us on Telegram. Instagram. So see, there is a deal yesterday came, okay, which the Google Assistant, which is for $499. Like that, there are so many, there are so many deals will come. I do post all those. So this is one of the efficient way where customers will attract and will join. Mostly since 2015, I was relied only on word of mouth till 2020. Till 2020, I never did promoted my products on online. I just only went on word of mouth. You can see TCL, 15 inches TV, like it's for 15,000. You can check the price today; it's around 50,000. Yeah, that's how I do post all those things on the Telegram channel. You can you can also join. Yesterday I have posted this one. Like I do promote, like, I do post some coupon codes where you can get beneficiaries, and you can see, the view count, real time analytics, how many people was viewed, 2.8k, 3k, 3000, like that. Yeah. Suggest me best affiliate program to start my own startup, bro. Yeah, you can start, just sign up on affiliate, uh, Amazon affiliate marketing. I will show you. Yeah. Using this link, you can sign up on Amazon affiliate program. You can and start earning. Like, just you need to have a blog and good content on the blog, and you can apply for the Amazon affiliate program. And once they, verified, you can start earning. And you do get, many promotional message. I mean, in the Excel sheet format before the sale. If there is any sale going on, you'll get before. When there are nearly 70k affiliate marketers in. No, I can't say there are 70k affiliate marketers. See, I am an affiliate marketer. And I can generating good revenue. I think there are no 70k, and it all depends on how good at your content writing and how much you post a good deals on your social media, like whatever it may be. And moreover, it depends on your network is equals to net worth, as I already said. I think there are no 70,000 affiliate marketing is impossible. Thank you, Pawan Kalyan. Guys, let's end the session. Any doubts?
Friends, anyone has any doubts, please get clarified. We have our alumni Chetan here, who's really helping us very well and sharing his knowledge.
Yeah, Ketra, you can proceed forward.
Okay, madam, thank you. I request Sindhu to give vote of thanks. Sorry, it is Bhagyashree who needs to give. I request Bhagyashree to give vote of thanks.
Yes, Kirtana. Am I audible?
Yes, yeah.
That's it.
Good morning. I'm Bhagyashree. A warm and graceful morning to our guest, the speaker of the session, Mr. Sai Chetan, worthy teachers, my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it as a great privilege to propose vote of thanks to all the people here who have witnessed it and made this webinar a success. I, in the interest of the entire MBA department, propose my most earnest gratitude to the speaker, Mr. Sai Chetan, for taking out time from his busy schedule and gracing the event. It's undoubtedly a significant privilege for our department to invite such fantastic speaker who is known for his extraordinary commitment. Today's session gave deep insights into the topic, and points discussed by Mr. Sai Chetan are really informative. I'm pretty sure that the knowledge you gave will definitely help us in our future. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. Thanks to Mr. Sai Chetan for adorning the occasion and sharing your opinions today. I would also thank Dr. Sandhya Rani ma'am and all the respected faculty members for encouraging and guiding to organize this informative session. I would like to thank SAR committee members who worked hard for organizing and making this event successful. Finally, I would also like to thank all my dear friends who are present here today. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Usha. Thank you, Kirtana and Aditya, for giving the opportunity, for choosing me.
Bro, it is our privilege to have
It's
you
our honor, sir.
and giving your complete insights and knowledge of your
Anytime, anytime.
thank you so much. And even I thank Soumya madam for guiding us in a proper way and taking the meet in a very smooth manner.
No, it's indeed a learning session for me as well. Chetan, thank you so
Yes.
much.
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, it is so much. I think it is useful for you to download the article, the premium article.
Yeah, SkyHub. We are actually using it.
Okay.
Our beloved Vishwanath sir has done all these experiments and he has given us all the inputs of this kind.
Okay.
So
Nice.
he is the one who has suggested SkyHub for all of us.
Okay. Actually, at that
He
time,
told us how to search also.
Yeah. At that time, actually, I was searching for Sunil sir, and I told all these things.
Yes,
When
yes.
I am searching, yeah. Okay. Nice.
Madam, shall I end the meet now?
Yes, Ketana. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you everyone for attending. I request everyone to maintain same attendance even in the afternoon session. I am very sorry for taking your Sunday from you, but I request you all so that it would be of a great help for all of us. Thank you so
Even
much.
I could say sorry for all the people guys worrying you this Sunday. I can't find any time in the weekday. Yeah.
Chetan, the inputs you have given are much more valuable than one Sunday.
Yeah.
Definitely. So please do keep in touch, Chetan.
Yes, Aditya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Chetan, bro.
Yeah. Thank you.